In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest SimCity BuildIt mod menu, fully updated and working on both iOS and Android devices. This is one of the most searched topics right now, so make sure you watch until the end. As you can see on your screen, this SimCity BuildIt mod menu unlocks a wide range of premium features, including unlimited coins and diamonds, giving you a major advantage in the game. The menu includes powerful options such as free shopping, unlimited simoleons, unlimited SimCash, unlimited keys, unlock all regions, epic buildings, and much more. Before you get started, it's very important to make sure your SimCity BuildIt game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for SimCity BuildIt, and check whether an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, head down to the pinned comment below this video. In that comment, I explain exactly where you can get SimCity BuildIt++ and how to access the mod menu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.